Hey YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roku 4 fan noise. Um, I have had it for a couple of months now. Hasn't given me any issues. First couple of days I've experienced the fan noise. Haven't had any, ever since that. But I've looked through online videos and they've gave me useless helps and tips. But I use common sense. There's little vent holes on the bottom where it circulates the air. All you just gotta do is flip it around. You won't even hear the fan noise anymore. That's all you gotta do, And if it's too hot, just unplug it, wait 2 minutes, plug it back in, and then I guess the whole fan will reset, and you wouldn't have that problem anymore. Like and subscribe. I'll put up more useful videos of those kind of things. I hope this helps you out. Comment below. Let me know.